guys, so today the postman has just brought my Glossybox, so I'm super excited. I had a look on the box on the outside and it said that mine was version 3, so let's look and see what I've got. Oh, I'm so excited. I've been looking at other people's, see what they got, and it was looks so cool. So this is obviously how it comes, with the little leaflet on top. I'll do the little sneak peek at the end, because I don't like to give it away too early. Yeah. So you have your little ribbon and a little tissue. So, ooh, lots of goodies. So the first thing I have got is a Hask macadamia oil, hydrates, protects and repairs dry damaged hair, and it's a deep conditioner. So you could get one of 3 of these. So you could either get the superfruit with the coconut oil or the macadamia. I've got the macadamia. This is a full-size product and the RRP for this is £2.49. You can get this from Superdrug. So I'm quite happy with that because I do like hair masks. That's really cool. The next thing I've got is, now this is the product that everybody's going absolutely bananas about. This is the Avant Pro, and this is the primer. Yeah, this is the collagen primer. So this is a full-size product and this RRP's for £85. I am so looking forward to trying this. It's going to be, you know, I hope it's going to be amazing. Like, I'm really looking forward to this. So yeah, so this is a big one for this box. Next thing I have is by Sleek. And this is the contouring blush palette, which is in fair that I have, which is good because I have quite fair, fair complexion. And you could receive one of 2. And this is a full-size product, and the RRP on this is £9.99, and you can get this from sleekmakeup.com/UK. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that out. I don't know what the other one, like the other one you could get. I just know that I've got fair. It doesn't say which one the other one you could get. Let's have a look. So the next thing I have is Meech and Mia eyeshadow in number 54. Where are you? Oh, here we go. So this is a full-size product, and this is eyeshadow chubby sticks. So the RRP for this one is £12.99, but there's only this one colour that you'll receive. Let's have a open it up. Oh, have a look. So I'll just do a. Ooh, that's nice. Don't know if you're gonna pick it up on the camera or not. It's lovely, like looks pretty, like it's quite it's gold, but it's got like hints of like a rosy sort of gold, depends how the light hits it, but that's really nice. I like that. So then the last thing we have in here is this. So this is a Model & Co lip cream matte peachy nude. So the RRP for this is £15, and it is by modelco.com. And this is full size as well. So everything in this box is full size this month, which is amazing. I'm absolutely loving, you know, the full sized products. So this is obviously how it is. That's what you get. So it's a lovely colour, so I'll just do a bit of a swatch on my back of my hand. Oh, it smells nice. It smells really fruity. So that's the colour on the back of my hand, which I think that will look really, really nice. I'm not going to put any on now because I've got no makeup on. But yeah, that looks really, really nice. I like the look of that one. I think it looked nice as well with the eyeshadow. Quite a neutral sort of look. And then obviously I've got the face. I didn't open that. I'm not going to open it just yet. I'll leave that. Oh, that's the daughter awake now. So, if you don't want to know what the sneak peek is, look away now. Just look away. So the sneak peek for July is Moroccan oil. Oh, it's whether you're jetting off on your jollies or embracing the British sun, we've got all your holiday essentials covered, starting with this incredible multi-purpose Moroccan oil treatment. You can use it as a conditioner, styling or finishing tool, saving you space in the suitcase while rescuing sun-damaged hair. Oh, so it's an oil for your hair, basically, so you can use it as like a serum, or you can use it like as a pre-conditioner or whatever. That's really cool, that. So that's in the next box. So what did you think of this Glossybox? I am really excited. Like, I am absolutely in love. And the fact that we've got, you know, 4 makeup products and a hair product, you know. So there's the primer, there's the face, like the contour and blush, the conditioner, the lip cream and the eyeshadow. I really enjoyed this box. I really liked it. But let me know what you think about it. Did you guys get the same? Did you get something different? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you hit the little bell icon, you'll get notified every time I upload a video too. So yeah, but I'm really impressed with this box. I'm quite happy with it. So I'll see you guys in the next video, which I'm hoping should be soon when my Birchbox turns up. So I will see you guys later. Bye.